Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart repricer. A repricer is a powerful tool that automatically adjusts your product prices on the Walmart marketplace, helping you stay ahead of the competition. It constantly monitors competitor prices and market demand, making real-time adjustments to your listings. This smart automation ensures your products are always priced optimally, maximizing your sales and profit margins without constant manual effort. It's a game changer for efficient inventory management. To begin, define your repricing strategies by setting specific minimum and maximum price thresholds for every product. These guardrails prevent selling below your cost or pricing yourself out of the market. You can create various rule sets. For instance, aggressive repricing for high-volume items or more conservative rules for unique inventory. Many sellers aim to win the buy box by pricing within 5 cents of the current winner, boosting visibility and sales significantly. This foundation is crucial for effective repricing. Beyond basic rules, explore advanced repricing options to fine-tune your approach. You might want to exclude certain sellers from your repricing calculations, perhaps those with poor ratings or non-standard shipping. Some repricers allow you to set rules that adjust prices based on your current stock levels, dropping prices for overstocked items or raising them for low stock. You can also schedule repricing events, such as a temporary price drop for a weekend promotion, ensuring flexibility and strategic control over your listings. Effective repricing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. Continuous monitoring is key. Regularly check your repricer's dashboard to see how your strategies are performing against the competition and your sales goals. Pay close attention to items that frequently hit their minimum or maximum prices, as this may indicate a need for rule adjustments. Analyzing the profit margins on repriced sales helps you identify what is working best. Make data-driven refinements to your rules weekly or monthly to ensure optimal results and sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.